Over my years of experience, I have seen numerous examples of developers coming from other backgrounds and they adopt a different naming convention. Here are some examples. Take a look at the first method. In the name of this method, the first letter of every word is capitalized, so G and T. But look at the second method. The first letter of the first word, S, is lowercase. Look at the parameters of these methods. The first one uses an underline. The second one doesn't. And look at the third example. We have a private field called customer ID, but there is no underline there. What is going on here? Well, let's see the standard naming convention in .NET Framework. In .NET Framework, we have two naming conventions, Pascal case and Camel case. In Pascal case, the first letter of every word is uppercase. In Camel case, the first letter of the first word is lowercase, but the first letter of every word after that is uppercase. Now in this slide, I've put together all you need to know about naming conventions. So you see I have highlighted the identifiers that use Pascal case with yellow and the identifiers that use Camel case with purple. So as you see, the name of a class, its properties and methods use Pascal case. For private fields, method parameters, and local variables, we use Camel case. Except that with private fields, we need to prefix them with an underline. So next time you're coding, make sure to follow this convention and ask everyone in your team to follow the same convention. This way your code base will be cleaner and it looks like it's written by one person as opposed to 50 different people over 10 years. If you see some instances in the code where these conventions are not followed, just use ReSharper rename refactoring to change them. In the next lecture, we'll take a look at the signature of our methods.